So you've clicked on this video because you want to know how to stop menopause hair loss in a natural way. Now I have got a solution for you and it's all based around the Ayurvedic practices. I've got a hair tea and a hair mask that I know it works. Trust me, sis, it is working for me, okay? I'll see you after the intro.
Taking me high, so high, high.
So welcome to my channel. First of all, my disclaimer, I'm not a practitioner of any kind, okay? And I just think that there's not enough information about menopause out there. It's so limited, but there's so much that goes on with our bodies and we've got to talk about it. Chalet, the hair is not doing what it's supposed to. It's a real challenge. I'm just doing my research and I'm sharing it with you guys because I'm 53 years old. I'm going through my menopause. I'm getting emotional. So first of all, I need to briefly explain why menopause leads to hair loss. And it's because it's a hormone change. It's the reduction of estrogen in our body because this slows down the hair growth cycle. Now, whilst there are so many different products out there on the market that you can buy, and you can also be prescribed quite abrasive, harsh, chemical, toxic treatments to help you with your hair loss, I want to encourage you. God has given us everything, okay? So why not go the natural route? Because Ayurveda remedies can help restore your hair. Now, we also must put it into context because whilst we're going through the lack of estrogen that our body should be producing whilst going through menopause, we also must take note that there is DHT to be thinking about, which is a testosterone hormone that wants to stop your hair from the cycle and everything and take every follicle and kill your hair. DHT, which is abbreviated for dihydrotestosterone. I believe it is that. Now, about 5 years ago, I covered a video on DHT blockers. I'm going to leave it in a card up here, or is it there? I don't know. I highly recommend you watch that video because I go in depth on telling you a lot more about the testosterone hormone that we need to block. Now, there are a number of Ayurvedic herbs that we can use to increase the production of estrogen or to stimulate our hair follicles. So I've put together a tea and a mask that I think that are incredible for stimulating hair follicles, blocking the DHT and all that good stuff. I mean, the list goes on. Let me tell you what it is, okay? Okay, so in my opinion, one of the best Ayurveda herbs out there is Eclipta elba, aka Brimraj. Now, if you didn't know, this particular herb is known as the king of hair, and its strongest parts is to strengthen hair follicles. This Ayurvedic herb has benefits including stimulating hair growth by nourishing hair follicles, and it reduces hair loss through antioxidant rich compounds and slowing down premature ingraying by maintaining natural hair color. Now, if it maintains the natural hair color, that is great, eh? We're also going to be using Amla, which is an Indian gooseberry. You are no stranger to this one. Amla offers significant benefits for hair health. It strengthens hair follicles, it's reducing hair fall and promoting growth, and it is rich in vitamin C. Another great one that I couldn't leave out is green tea. You can't leave it out. Green tea has been known to reduce DHT levels and potentially slowing down the hair loss stage. Now, okay, so one other one that I thought that was so good, I had to put it in there. Ashwagandha balances hormones and reduces hair thinning because ashwagandha is an adaptogen herb and it may support hair health by reducing stress-inducing hair loss through the cortisol regulation. So the reason why I'm doing a mask and a tea is because I've been using the tea in my roots 2 to 3 times of the week, and then I've been doing the mask once a week, and the two together is a winning formula, trust me. So I do a teaspoon of each. I pour boiling water, steep it, decanter it once it's cooled down. I don't even bother putting anything in it. No essential oils to make it smell good. I just the pure thing. It smells very earthy. It's just got that woody kind of, you know, herb smell. I put what I need in the spray bottle that will last me for about 7 days. The rest of it will go into the freezer so I can draw it out and I put it in cubes anytime I want for the next 7 days of spraying my scalp. Okay, so how did I make the mask? The mask is very simple. I took a tablespoon of each of them, the Brimraj, the Amla, the green tea and the ashwagandha. I put it all in one bowl. Now what you want to do is you want to make a paste. To mix it, on occasions I use rose water because I love rose water because it smells delicious. And of course it has a really great pH balance for your scalp. Now, if I'm not going to use rose water, I often opt to use aloe vera, spring water, virgin olive oil or coconut oil. Just make it as simple as possible. So mix it until it's at the consistency that you want. So you are eyeballing this, all right? Please don't say in the comments how much do I put in. You're eyeballing it till you get the consistency that you want. Now, I don't leave the mask on overnight. I just keep it on my hair for a number of hours and I just go about my business and do my thing. I usually put this mask on just before I'm going to be washing my hair. So if I'm going to be washing my hair later on that evening, in the afternoon, I will make sure I've put this on my hair. So by using these Ayurvedic solutions, you're going to be able to block these DHT hormones in order for you to maintain really great, healthy, stimulated follicles that are going to help you keep going on that cycle. As a bonus, I would also say is great practice to, once you've sprayed the tea into your scalp, give your scalp a nice little massage. And also when you've applied the mask, give your scalp a nice massage. That will really do the trick, okay? Consistency is the key for you to see any kind of results. Don't start it and then after 1 or 2 you'll say like, in the comments, Melanie, no, it's not working. Of course it's not going to work. We need to see a consistent pattern. Just we've got to train our hair and knock our hair follicles back to submission, to growing again, okay? So let me know in the comments if you two are going to be using the tea or the hair mask for your hair treatment. Now, in last week's video, I was giving away a free gift, my brand Amari Me. That's the silk conditioner. This conditioner is so good for your hair. It's very nourishing, very moisturizing, extremely hydrating, and leaves your hair shiny and it tangles your hair really well. I'll pin in the comments the winner who I'm going to be sending it free. That's right, completely free and shipping as well, just because I want somebody else to try it. I've had loads of requests for people wanting to know a little bit more about the symptoms of menopause and perimenopause, so those videos are coming soon. I'm also going to be uploading videos on menopause and dry skin and all the different treatments, and also other alternatives to help us with our hair whilst going through menopause. It's such a challenge. Oh, woo, the hot flashes. I've got videos about that too. Guys, as always, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, comment and share my video. And not only does it help my channel, but it really helps somebody else out there about menopause. I just want to encourage you that if you're going through menopause and all the different challenges, we can get through it, sis. We can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Right, and on that note, I'm going now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. And remember, Jesus died for you and me. God bless you. Bye.
So high, high. In the cool of the night, in my darkest hour, when no one's there to see me through the fire, I can cry.